Hi there, Danny here, GDL Automotive. Just letting you know we're actually looking for some staff. We need people at both our Warriewood locations and our Hornsby store. We're looking for apprentices and qualified technicians. The company's growing. So if you're looking for maybe a change of workshop or you're considering entering the auto industry, we'd love to chat to you. We've got a pretty good culture. Obviously we do a lot of Jeeps and Land Rovers, so we're looking for someone who's interested in learning those products. If this is something that you think would entice you, or interest you, please reach out, or even maybe if you want to tag someone who you think might be interested in joining Team GDL.